All right, here we are. We're going to go for a little drive. This is the day after the big blizzard. We got over 2 feet of snow. But they had plowed the roads now, so it wasn't too hard to get around, and the weather was nice. So here we are, pulling out of our house. Lots of snow all around the roads. They hadn't plowed the sidewalks yet at this point. As you can see, there are people walking in the road. Okay, here we are. We're heading out on Algonquin Trail, out to Route 126. That's the new Dunkin' Donuts there. And now we're heading north on Route 126, past the Dairy Queen. That's new too. That's the Market Basket Plaza on the left, where we get our groceries. A few other stores over there, but not really. If you want to go shopping, you have to go to Framingham, to the shopping areas up there, and that's where we're headed, actually. We're headed north, and we're going to go from Ashland into Framingham. We're passing Lake Washaycom right now, so we must be already in Framingham. Yep. Okay, we're getting down into downtown Framingham, the more built-up area, the commercial area. Stores and stuff. I think this is where I have to pull over because of an ambulance that's coming along. Alright, we're coming up to the intersection with Route 135, but we're not going to take that. We're going to keep going straight, and we're going to cross the railroad tracks right here. And this is really downtown Framingham. Try to avoid this area because the traffic is usually very bad going through here. Turning right here, and we're heading for this fabric store up here on the left. That's where we're headed for right now. It's been there for a long time, although it had a different name. Until recently, it's now called Sophisticated. Alright, we're back on the road again, heading north on 126 to downtown Framingham. There's the town building up ahead, whatever it's called. I remember reporting there in many years when I was for the Army Physical. I had to report there, and then they took us by bus into Boston, to the Boston Army base. And here we are. Let's see, where are we here? This is still heading north, and we're going to pass the Slade Veterinary Clinic here on the left, where we've taken our cats on occasion. Alright, here we just passed on the right, that was Hartford Street. And now, where are we? I think this is the, there's a gas station there. Coming up here is the fire station. And after that, there's the National Guard Armory on the left. And these houses on the left, this was a housing project that was built right after World War II, and all the streets are named after World War II battles. And here's a courthouse coming up here. Next time I have jury duty, it would be nice to have it there instead of having to go. Usually have to go really far away for jury duty. Okay, we're almost to Route 9. Matter of fact, we're going to cross over Route 9 now. And then we're going to get on Route 30 and head east on Route 30 towards the shopping areas. Yeah, we're making that right turn now, I believe. Yeah. Alright, McDonald's on the right, and coming up is the mall where we're headed for. Lowe's is on the left, and we're headed for Target, actually, which is right in that same area. Okay, we have to make a left here, and we'll be in that mall. Target is in there, and Home Goods and other stores. Panera Bread, there's a Panera Bread in there. And behind that is BJ's, where we often go for groceries and stuff. Lots of snow piled up here. And we've had more since then. That's Target on the right. And we're about to pull in there. And that will conclude this little trip out in the snow just right after that big blizzard. Find a parking place. There's one right there. Alright, that'll do it.